Alrighty, so let's turn 87.3 kilopascals gauge pressure into absolute torr pressure. It doesn't really matter which order you do this. We got to obviously turn, or not so obviously, turn gauge into absolute, and then we have to turn absolute pressure into torr. What I'm inclined to do here is let's turn the gauge pressure into absolute. Okay, so absolute pressure is gauge pressure plus 1 atmosphere, right? Okay, so our absolute, which is what we want, right? We ultimately want absolute pressure, is going to be the gauge pressure, which is 87.3 kilopascals. I guess it's a capital P, right? And then we're going to add an atmosphere. Don't just add one though, right? We're going to add an atmosphere in kilopascals, right? So 101.3 kilopascals. All right, here we go. So 87.3 plus 101.3 is 188.6 kilopascals. So this is gauge. This is now absolute pressure. Because remember, what gauge pressure is how much more than an atmosphere it is, right? So to get the absolute, you have to add the atmosphere on there. All right, so now we're going to turn this into torr. So remember the steps for that are you want to get an atmosphere, turn it into an atmosphere first. So 188.6 kilopascals divided by 101.3, and this is really kilopascals per atmosphere, right? Okay, we now have an atmosphere, right? So it's going to be more than an atmosphere, but we've turned this into atmospheres, and then you multiply atmospheres by 1 atmosphere in the target units, I guess, right? So by 760 torr, and now we're set. So 188.6 divided by 101.3 times 760. And I get 14.96 torr, which it would be reasonable to call that 1415. Alrighty.